Okay. Yesterday, what is the homework? How many questions I will give you? Please tell me. Please tell me.
Sir, 3 questions.
3 questions. Which exercise? I will give you exercise 2.5 completed.
Yes, sir.
I will give 2.5, exercise 2.5 complete in your homework copy. And you are completed?
Yes, sir.
You are complete?
Yes.
Complete किए हो?
Sir, all is not complete.
Why? Why?
4 question complete. 4 question.
Why? What's problem? What's problem? Then why you
Good
have
morning,
not complete
sir.
your work?
Sir, no problem.
क्या प्रॉब्लम थी कि कंप्लीट नहीं किए? आपको क्वेश्चंस को कहीं चले गए थे क्या?
Sir.
हैं? चलिए, ओके ओके नाउ टुडे यू कंप्लीट.
Good
टुडे यू कंप्लीट
good
योर वर्क.
morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटे.
Good morning, sir.
Kushi, you have completed your work?
Yes, sir.
Now we start. Today, voice be clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now today we start equation reducible to the linear form. Equation reducible to the linear form. And here, this is the example. First, you reduce the linear form. कौन आवाज कर रहा है भाई? पढ़ने की इच्छा नहीं है? बेटे प्लीज साइलेंट. थोड़ा सा सिंसियर हो जाओ. अब क्लास 8 में आ गए हो. प्लीज सिंसियर एंड प्लीज म्यूट योर वॉइस ऑफ योर फोन. अपने फोन की आवाज को आप लोग म्यूट कर लीजिए. दैट इज माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. मेरी आप लोगों से गुजारिश है कि प्लीज म्यूट योर वॉइस. माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, ऑल ऑफ यू हैव म्यूट योर वॉइस. ओके, नाउ वी स्टार्ट. हेलो. Now, by cross multiplication, we have solved this. First, we convert the equation. We multiply 8 to x plus 1 and 3 multiply 2x plus 3 by cross multiplication. And you already know cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, we write the equation this type. Now we open the bracket. 8x plus 8 equal 3 to the 6x plus 3 is a 9. Now we arrange the number. Variable one side and constant other side. 8x, this 6 comes to the left hand side, sign will be changed, and this 8 goes to the right hand side, sign will be changed. Now we subtract 2x equal 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2. And that is our answer. This is my answer. That means equation reducible in the linear form. Here we reduce the equation in the linear and we find the answer, x by 2. Now we start the exercise 2.6. 2.6. Exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6. Don't make a noise. Please silent. Solve the following equation. This is the question 1. Question 1. And that is the question is 8x minus 2. We write in the bracket form 3x equal to. So first you reduce equation into the linear form.
अपना कपड़ा खुद पसार रहा हूँ, वैसे में भी सूखेगा नहीं.
अरे भैया अभी तो इस समय बोर्ड पे देखो. अभी इस समय बोर्ड पे देख बेटे, लुक एट द बोर्ड.
क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है।
क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है.
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई कोई ये दूसरा क्वेश्चन था. राइट हो गया.
Yes, sir.
आई विल म्यूट ऑल ऑफ यू.
मत करिए. लड़का चल रहा है तो लॉर्ड जी बोल रहा है.
Okay. Okay. Now this is the first question. अब ब्रैकेट कोई बात हमने लगाया. If you written the question, you show in bracket, then you multiply it by cross multiplication, then we easily multiply all the terms. Otherwise, sometimes you multiply the first term, then your answer will be wrong. Now here, this 2 we write 2 by 1. By cross multiplication, if you multiply any number by 1, the number comes itself. That means this expression, if you multiply by 1, the same expression becoming, and we write here 8x minus 3. And now this 3x multiply by 2, 2 into 3x. Okay? Now we open this bracket, 8x minus 3 equal to 3 is 6x. Now we arrange the term, like terms one side, that means the variable one side and the constant other side. This 6 comes there, 8 minus 6x, and this 3 goes to there, it comes positive. Now 8 minus 6 is come 2x equal 3, therefore x is equal to 3 by 2, and that is our answer. If you write in the mixed fraction, you also write x is equal to 2 1 are 2, and one remainder comes 1 whole 1 by 2, and that is our answer. Okay, it is clear. It is clear. It is clear. Aditya, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Yes. Now, can I raise it? Now take the third part of this question. Third, z upon z plus 15 equal 4 by 9. Now, by cross multiplication, we solve this equation. This 9 multiplied by z, 9 into z, it comes 9z, and this 4 multiply z plus 15. Okay? Now, first we open this bracket, 9z equal 4 1s are 4z plus plus plus, and 15 4s are 60. Now, arrange similar term one side, 9z minus 4z equals 60, and then you subtract, it comes 5z equals 60, and 5 1s are 5, and 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and z is equal to 12, and that is our answer. Okay, find the answer. Okay, it is clear. Write down, write down, write down. Can I erase it? Can I erase it? Can I erase it? No. Question number 4. 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y equal minus 2 by 5. So first, this term show in bracket, then we easily multiply, then we by cross multiplication we write the equation, 5 into 3y plus 4, and equal -2, look at it, -2 multiply 2 minus 6y. Okay, by cross multiplication, we write the equation. Then we open the bracket, 5 3s are 15y plus my plus plus 5 4s are 20 equal. Here is sign minus. So first we multiply the sign, minus plus minus, and 2 2s are 4. Then again minus minus plus, and 6 2s are 12 y. Now we arrange it. 15y minus 12y equal, this is minus 4, and this 20 goes to the right hand side, come minus 20. Now both are the opposite sign, number we subtracted, it comes 3y equal minus, both are the same sign. If the sign are same, number always we add, but the sign comes itself. जो साइन होगा वही आएगा, अगर दोनों सेम है नंबर जुड़ेगा लेकिन साइन माइनस ही आएगा. 24. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24. Now y is equal to minus 8. Okay, please write. Now comes to the next question, question number 6. Okay, okay, can I erase it? Abhishek? Oh, okay. Now, question number 6. In this question, the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. So ratio of solution of this question, ratio of Hari and Harry is equal 5:7. Therefore 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3/4. Find the present ages. So let the ratio of Hari and Harry, the ratio of Hari and Harry is 5:7. So let now, therefore, the present age, let the present age of Hari equal 5x. Let's suppose if we multiply any number, we write here the present age 5x, and similarly the present age of Harry equal 7x. Now 4 years from now, 4 years now, therefore after 4 years, according to question, after 4 years, Hari age equal 5x plus 4 years, and the unit also years here, we write YRS, years. And similarly after 4 years, Harry age equal to 7x plus 4. years. Now 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3/4. So we write here 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 equal, what is the ratio? The ratio comes 3/4. This is the form of ratio. We write the ratio in the form of upon also. Okay? Now, by cross multiplication, we find the value of x. By cross multiplication, we write 4 into 5x plus 4 and equal 3 into 7x plus 4. Now, we're done there. Now, open the bracket. 5 4s are 20x plus 16 equal 21x plus 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Now, this 20 goes to the right hand side and this 12. 16 minus 12 equal 21x minus 20x. Now, we change the pens. It comes 21 minus 20, it comes x equal, what is the value? 16 minus 12 comes 4. And we have find the present age, so this value put there. Okay? Therefore, present age of Hari is equal to 5 into 4 and it comes years. The unit is here, the 5 4s are 20 years. And similarly find present age of Harry equal 7 into 4 years and it comes 28 years. And that is our answer. Okay? It is clear? It is clear? Gaurav, can you listen my voice? Okay. Ravi Ranjan, it is clear? Ravi Ranjan? Okay. Now, once again, we discuss ratio of Hari and Harry is given 5:7. So first we assume let the present age of Hari is 5x and the present age of Harry is 7x. Now, according to question, after 4 years, both Hari and Harry ages be more, then we add 4 years, both the ages, 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. Now, according to question says, after 4 years, the ratio of the ages comes 3/4. Okay? Now, by cross multiplication, we solve and find the value of x. And this value of x, put Hari and Harry's present age. And now our answer comes. Hari age is 20 years and Harry age is 28 years. Okay? Okay, it is clear? Any problem? No. Kripakar, can you listen my voice? Ashutosh Kumar, Can you listen my voice? Can you listen my voice? Okay, it is clear? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Ashutosh. Okay. Now, there is. Okay, our next question. Next question. And question number 7. Question number 7. The denominator of the rational number is greater than the numerator by 8. So first we write the rational number. So I don't know what is the rational number. First you assume let the rational number be x upon y. Then, okay? Then, according to question, the denominator is my y, denominator equal अरे रुकिए, please listen be. Just a minute. अरे Rick, listen be. The denominator of the rational number is greater than is numerator by 8. Therefore, my denominator y is equal to x plus 8. X plus 8. According to question, the denominator is greater than numerator by 8 and my numerator is 8. Therefore, my denominator is x by 8. Now, we read the next part of this question. If the numerator increased by 17, so then first we write the numerator, then our rational number comes. This is my denominator part and this is my numerator part. And if the numerator increased, numerator increased by 17, then numerator comes x plus 17, okay? And denominator decreased and denominator decreased, denominator decreased by 1, then denominator, and this is my denominator, we decreased x plus 8 minus 1, it comes x plus 8 minus 1 comes x plus 7. Now the number obtained, so our number b, my rational number comes, rational number equal my, what is my numerator? X plus 17. And what is my denominator? Y. Here is x plus 8. X plus 7. And it is equal to, then the number obtained 3 by 2. That means we write x plus 17 upon x plus 7 equal, what is the number? 3 by 2. Okay? It comes 3 by 2. Find the rational number. We have find this rational number. Now by cross multiplication, we write here x plus 17 and 3 into x plus 7. Okay, it is clear? Okay, Now look at here. Look at here. We open the bracket. 2x plus 34 equal 3x plus 21. Now we arrange the variable one side and the constant other side. Okay, Aditya, look at here. Now we arrange the variable one side. This variable goes to there, and this comes 34 minus 21 and 3x minus 2x. Now we change the pens. 3x minus x, 2x comes x, equal 1 subtracted from 4 comes 3, and 2 subtracted from 3 comes 13. And this value put in the rational number. So our rational number, therefore, our rational number equal the value of x upon y. And here y is my y, x upon y. And my y is x upon x plus 8. Now this value put there 13 plus 13 plus 8. 13 plus 13 plus 8, and it comes 13 by 21. And that is our answer. It is clear? It is clear? Aditya Gupta? Aditya? It is clear? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. 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 Abhishek Giri? Abhishek? It is clear? Now, once again, I explain in Hindi. हमें एक रैशनल नंबर निकालना है, हमें मालूम नहीं है वो रैशनल नंबर कौन सा है, तो हमने एज्यूम कर लिया कि वो रैशनल नंबर x अपॉन y है. रैशनल नंबर जानते ही हो, इसमें न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट दोनों होते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, जो डिनोमिनेटर है रैशनल नंबर का वो न्यूमरेटर से 8 मोर है, तो हमने डिनोमिनेटर निकाल लिया x प्लस 8. अब न्यूमरेटर इंक्रीज बाय 17 अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन में कहता है कि अगर न्यूमरेटर को 17 इंक्रीज कर दिया जाए तो हमने न्यूमरेटर पार्ट निकाल दिया x प्लस 17, और डिनोमिनेटर को 1 डिक्रीज कर दिया जाए, डिक्रीज दैट मीन्स सबट्रैक्ट, कम कर दिया जाए, तो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर x प्लस 8 था तो हमने -1 कर दिया, तो यहां हमारा डिनोमिनेटर आ गया x प्लस 1. तो हमारी रैशनल नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? रैशनल नंबर x प्लस 7 और x प्लस 17 अपॉन x प्लस 7. और जैसे ही हम डिक्रीज और इंक्रीज होता है तो वो नंबर किसके बराबर आ जाता है? 3/2 के. इट इज गिवन द नंबर कम्स 3/2, एंड बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन वी सॉल्व द वैल्यू ऑफ x. और हियर माय वैल्यू इज, हमने सॉल्व किया तो हमारी वैल्यू आ गई 13. दिस वैल्यू, इस वैल्यू को हमने जो हमने रैशनल नंबर एज्यूम किया था उसमें पुट करते हैं, तो x की जगह तो हमारा 13 आ जाएगा, और जो y है हमारा x प्लस 8 के बराबर था, तो हमने यह x की जगह 13 प्लस 8 लिख दिया, और इट कम्स 13/21. ओके, इट इज क्लियर? अभिषेक गिरी, इट इज क्लियर? Abhishek? Okay. Therefore, this exercise we completed, and this chapter is also completed of your book. आपकी बुक का ये चैप्टर भी कंप्लीट हो गया है. और सर ये अनम्यूट करिए थोड़ा सा, अब मैं थोड़ा चैट कर लूं, बात कर लूं बच्चों से. अनम्यूट. अरे बाप रे बाप, ये टाइम रनिंग ऑफ. अनम्यूट कहाँ हुआ? अनम्यूट. रुकिए, ये हाँ म्यूट को ही काट दिया जाएगा. हाँ यस, वो कर दो. ओके स्टूडेंट, कैन यू लिसन माय वॉइस?
Yes, sir.
अभिषेक गिरी,
Yes, sir.
इधर सुनिए वन बाय वन, कोई
Yes,
बोलेगा
sir.
नहीं एक साथ। अब ये हमने चैप्टर
Yes, sir.
को कंप्लीट कर दिया है। अब इसमें इस चैप्टर में आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप हमसे पूछिए। कोई आपके पास डिफिकल्टीज है तो
No, sir.
टुमारो मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन लेके आऊंगा, इंपॉर्टेंट आप लोगों को दूंगा। लेकिन देना कैसे है आपके जो सर हैं अदर व्हाट्सएप से भेजा जाएगा। दिस चैप्टर बी एंड, आप लोग इस चैप्टर को कर लीजिएगा। एक आध क्वेश्चन हम लेंगे और इसके बाद हम चैप्टर 3 स्टार्ट करेंगे, क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स, एंड दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट द ज्योमेट्री पोर्शन ऑफ योर बुक। ये मैथ्स का सेकंड पार्ट है। दिस इज द पार्ट सेकंड ऑफ द मैथ्स। सुन रहे हो ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और दिस पार्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू बिकॉज इन द 9th क्लास, जब आप 9th क्लास में जाएंगे तो आपने 7th क्लास में ट्राइंगल्स पढ़ा, ट्राइंगल्स की कॉन्ग्रुएंसी पढ़ी, और इस क्लास में आप क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स पढ़ेंगे। और जैसे ही 9th क्लास में आप अपियर होंगे तो ट्राइंगल, क्वाड्रिलेटरल और सर्किल 3 चीजें आएंगी, वो सारी इन्हीं क्लास का मिलेगा। Therefore, this part of the maths, second, understanding quadrilaterals is very important for you. So next,
Okay, sir.
tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we start this chapter. Tomorrow we take some questions of the chapter linear equation. मैं कुछ बुक से अच्छे क्वेश्चन लेके आएंगे, अदर बुक से कोशिश की जाएगी करने की। Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now
Okay,
you
sir.
complete your homework.
Okay, sir.
आप लोग मेरा
Okay,
होमवर्क
sir.
कर लीजिएगा, एंड आई होप सब लोग कर रहे होंगे होमवर्क। सभी लोग कर रहे हो ना
Yes,
होमवर्क?
sir. Yes, sir.
अभिनंदन कर रहे हो? अभिनंदन हाँ बेटे, पूरा करो। You complete your
Yes, sir.
work.
कर लेंगे.
Okay. Now today's my period will be over, and now tomorrow we take another period. So thank you all of you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
अरे कितना तय करके रखते हैं ना।
अभिनंदन। और